Good news, in this video, I am giving away $50 in PayPal and in cryptocurrency to each and every person watching this video. So like the video, leave your valuable comments below, and stay tuned until the end to find out how you will get yourself $50. Now, let's begin the video. Completing this task will earn you over $10. Completing another task will earn you over $21. And completing this task will earn you approximately $50. This is the easiest way to make $1,000 for completely free. This is a completely new earning app and no one is talking about it on YouTube. I tried it myself and I earned a good amount of money on this site, which I will reveal to you, and I will show you my live withdrawal proof in PayPal in just a couple of minutes, so that we know that it's actually a legit website to make money online in 2023. So, starting with step number 1 is to come over to this website. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, this is the website that will pay you the highest payouts and that will charge the lowest commissions. This means when users choose this website to perform tasks, they will get the most amount of money on this site as compared to other make money online websites. This is possible due to the fact that this site charges the lowest commissions as compared to their competitors. And the good thing about this website is that you can withdraw your earnings as soon as you earn $1, and earning $1 is just a matter of a few seconds, because for each and every coin you earn on this website, you can exchange that one coin for $1. So, one coin earned on this website is equal to $1 earned. And of course, earning a coin will just be a matter of a few seconds. And if PayPal is not available in your country, you can also exchange these coins for cryptocurrency vouchers and different gift cards, such as Amazon gift cards, Robux gift cards, Steam gift cards, and many more. So, all you have to do is complete the tasks that you like, which include playing games, completing some easy offers, answering some simple questions, and all. For each task you complete, you will receive some coins, where one coin is equal to $1. And then, you can simply get paid through PayPal, crypto vouchers, gift cards, and other payment methods available. Now step number 2 is to register yourself on this website called earnweb.com. I will leave a link to this website in the description of this video. EarnWeb is the highest paying website as compared to the other earning websites and apps out there. So just come over to the homepage of earnweb.com and click on where it says account. You can register yourself using Facebook, using Steam, or using your Google account. Or you can just create a unique username, submit your email ID, create a strong password, and click on this register button over here. Now once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Here you will be able to see that regular people like you and me are withdrawing money every minute on this website. On the top right corner, you can find your username, and under that, you can check your earnings. Till now, I have earned over $100 in just 60 minutes by playing games. Now you may know that this is very easy, and you can easily make up to $1,000 on earnweb.com, fast and easy. Also, I will show you live withdrawal proof using these coins, so stay tuned for that. EarnWeb has more than 38,000 registered users, and they have paid over $29,000 to its users. This means, on an average, every registered user has earned over $700 on this website. The best thing is that they will also pay you to complete your registration with them. For example, clicking on the activation link sent to your email, accepting notifications from EarnWeb, choosing your system and devices, such as computer, laptop, or mobile phones. And to do so, you just have to click on your username, and then select settings from there. That's gonna take you to this page where you can see the account details, and from right hand side, you can choose email notifications, and then you can select important emails from admin and newsletter to receive some extra money for free. After that, just choose your devices from here, and you can choose different systems and devices that you have, such as Windows, Mac, or Linux, etc. And you will receive free money for doing this. Now step number 3. To start earning money like this, click on the earn section over here, and that's going to take you to this page where you can find many different offers and surveys and different tasks that you can complete and earn good amount of money. For example, adding this extension to your Chrome will give you $15. Opening an account on this app will earn you up to $11, which will just take 5 to 10 minutes to do. So you can see now that making money on this website is very easy, and you can do it too. If you are enjoying the video till now, and if you want me to create more videos like this, then help me to get 1,000 likes on this video, and in a minute I will show you how you can claim your $50 giveaway, so stay tuned. Now the best thing about this website is that you can also earn money by just playing games, and for this, I want you to come over to task section over here and select games from it. That's gonna open up this page for you where you can just play games and earn money for that. So if you play this game, you will earn $5. If you play this game over here, you will make over $10. If you play the Mafia game, you will get $21, and if you play Eat and Repeat game, you will earn close to $50 in PayPal. And you can withdraw the same into your crypto voucher if you don't have a PayPal account. There are many games which you can play and earn anywhere between $3 to $50 for each game you play. The only thing is that, as a new user, some of these games will be locked for you. You first have to play the games that are available for you, and then only you will be able to play all other games and earn big money playing them. So, enjoy playing those games, complete the levels of those games, and make more and more money by unlocking more and more new games. Now step number 4, you can multiply your earnings by completing different other tasks, such as answering the poll questions, installing apps and register on them, get cashback offers, etc. So, if you select apps option, that's going to show you different apps that you can install and register on to make some extra money from EarnWeb. For example, signing up to this app will earn you $2, installing Uber Eats will make you $6, trying out this app will get you $4, and so on and so forth. Similarly, if you open cashback offers, you can find different offers where you can get some percent of cashback cashback, such as if you like shopping in Alibaba and you purchase something on it using your EarnWeb coins, you can get up to 5.4% of cashback in coins for it. If you buy something on AliExpress, you can get 6.9% cashback on it. And if you purchase anything on Shutterstock, you can get up to 23% of cashback in coins on EarnWeb, and so on. And if you want to earn even more money, you can complete the offer wall offers and surveys, such as over 3,900 users completed this task and we can complete the same. Just click on show tasks and it will show you some important information which you can read. For example, 100 coins earned in this offer will be equal to only 1 coin of EarnWeb, or we can say 100 coins earned in this offer will be equal to only $1. To proceed, just click on this show tasks button, and that's going to show you many different offers that you complete within few minutes and can earn some extra money online. For example, completing this offer will earn you over $10 in just a few minutes, and completing this task will earn you over $20, and so on. It's that easy, and anyone can make money online with EarnWeb by just following all the steps from this video. Now, I am giving away $50 to each and every person watching this video, and to claim that, first, you have to like this video and help me to get 1,000 likes on this video. Secondly, you will find some coupon codes in the description of this video. 2 coupon codes will be for PayPal users, and other 2 coupon codes will be for crypto users. These coupon are sign-up bonus for new users. You can use these coupon codes on EarnWeb to exchange them for money. For example, to use $50 PayPal coupon code, all I have to do is click on my username and select the use promo code option from there. Now just enter the code in this box and press use code. The only condition to use this coupon is that to withdraw or exchange those $50 from EarnWeb, you first have to earn 120 coins on EarnWeb, and then you will be able to withdraw $120 you earned plus $50 giveaway amount to your account. Similarly, if you use $1 PayPal coupon code, you just have to earn 3 coins on EarnWeb, and then you can withdraw $3 you earned plus $1 giveaway amount. I will also mention these conditions next to the respective coupon codes provided to you in the description of this video. And now, to show you the payment proof, I will just need to click on where it says payout, and that's gonna take you to this page where you can find different options to exchange your coins for, but I usually prefer PayPal, so I am gonna select PayPal option from there. That will further show you different options to withdraw your money, and because I have enough coins in my account, I can select $100 option from here. On this page, you just need to click on order reward, then just click the confirm button from there. Now, you want to come over to the wallet section over here and open it. As you can see, there is a reward of $100 PayPal money showing in my account. Just open that. Now, you just have to enter your PayPal ID in this box, and within few hours, the amount of $100 will be credited to my PayPal. So let's just wait for that few hours, and I will show you my withdrawal proof. So, as you can see, the amount has already credited to my account. $100 has been received in my PayPal account, and this proves that EarnWeb is a legit make money online website, and you can easily make money on it. Once again, I will leave a link to this website in the description of this video, and to earn more money, watch the next video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.